Okay, so we have this example workbook. For the code that we're going to run, this checkbox must be checked. Here is the code. This piece of code will export your modules. It's going to run this. And then it dumped all of these files out as .vb. The reason I do this is usually I'm I'm controlling things in a Git repository, and I want to be able to diff things. Forgot to add stuff. Okay, so this stuff was added. Let's say that we deleted that and we remove that comment. So we save it and then we rerun the export code. What we see is that these two have been modified. The Excel file has been modified. If we click on the module and we go diff, we can compare the working tree to what it was, and we can see that there was a problem. Everything was deleted. For this one, we can do, for this git, and we can do a revert, and it will bring back the code. I like to use .vb because in Notepad++ it does syntax highlighting with Visual Basic. Visual Basic VBA is not exactly VB, but it's close, so it mostly works just for looking at it. Okay, so now if we commit, you know, everything's